Welcome to Grow My Saving. If you've ever felt like money just disappears every month, bills, food, fun, and somehow there's nothing left, don't worry, you're not alone. That's exactly why today we're breaking down one of the simplest and most effective budgeting methods ever, the 50-30-20 rule. This method helps you manage your money without spreadsheets, stress, or complicated apps. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to stay on track, reach your goals, and still enjoy life along the way. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple way to divide your income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and investments. It was popularized by U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren in her book, All Your Worth. The idea is simple: balance responsibility with enjoyment and growth. Here's what each part means. Needs, 50% are essentials: rent, groceries, utilities, insurance, transportation, and minimum debt payments. Wants, 30% are the fun stuff: dining out, streaming subscriptions, travel, shopping, hobbies. Savings/investments, 20% go toward your future: emergency fund, retirement savings, or investing for long-term goals. Let's say you earn $3,000 per month after taxes. Using the 50-30-20 rule, you'd break it down like this: $1,500, 50% for needs $900, 30% for wants $600, 20% for savings/investments. Simple, right? You can adjust these percentages slightly depending on your situation. For example, if your rent is higher, maybe do 60, 25, 15. The key is being aware of where your money goes and keeping a healthy balance. You can easily track this with budgeting apps like Mint, You Need a Budget, or even just a notes app or spreadsheet. The reason the 50-30-20 rule works is because it's realistic and flexible. You don't have to track every single cent. You just need to stick to these big categories. It helps you avoid overspending on wants, make sure your needs are covered, build the habit of saving automatically every month. Most importantly, it creates a sense of control and balance, so you're not constantly stressed about money or feeling guilty for treating yourself. Want to make it stick? Here's how. Automate your savings. Set up transfers right after payday so you save before you spend. Review your wants list. Ask, does this bring real value to my life? Revisit your percentages every few months. Your income and priorities will change, and that's okay. And that's the 50-30-20 rule, the easiest way to manage your money and build a balanced financial life. Thanks for watching Grow My Saving. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's always broke by payday. In our next video, we'll dive into the psychology of spending, why we overspend, and how to stop.